Good morning, guys. Welcome to Brugge's Maths Academy. Guys, in today's session, we are going to discuss about logarithm in detail. This particular session is from concise textbook we are going to discuss. So first of all, to begin with the chapter, let us understand why logarithms. What do you mean by logarithm? Okay, and why we are using it. That is most important question. So basically, logarithm is a technique. Okay, it is used to make our complex calculation very easy. Complex calculations, for example, when I ask you to multiply 7 raised to 8 into 245 raised to 25, okay, such big calculations can be done easily with the help of logarithm. So basically, how we define logarithm. So for example, let us assume if A, B, C are the real numbers, कोई भी तीन numbers है, condition A cannot be equal to 1, A cannot be equal to 1. Then, if in the exponential form, if I write A raised to B is C, if in exponential form I write A raised to B is C, that is base is A, exponent is B, and its answer is C, then I can write B is equal to logarithm of C, क्या log of C to the base A. B is equals to log of C to the base A. So I can convert easily exponential to logarithmic form. Okay, I can convert easily the power. Okay, exponential form से logarithmic form I can easily convert. So if A raised to B is C, then I can write log of C to the base A is equals to B. I can write log of C to the base A is equals to B. ठीक है? Using this, can we solve this particular questions? Question number 1 and question number 2 of exercise 8A. Let us start with it. So I can write log of C to the base 5 is equals to 3. I can write log of 1 by 9 to the base 3 equals to minus 2. I can write log of 0.001 to the base 10 equals to minus 3. I can write log of 27 to the base 81 is equals to 3 by 4. This is how it works. So we can easily convert exponential form to logarithmic form, ठीक है, by using the definition of log, ठीक है. If A raised to B is C, then I can easily say log of C to the base A is equals to B. Log of C to the base A is equals to B. Log of C to the base A is equals to B beta. Log of C to the base A is equals to B. Log of C to the base A equals to B beta. Similarly, I can easily convert log to exponential form. देखो कैसे I can convert log to exponential form. Can I write like this way? Therefore C is equals to A raised to B. Okay, so can I write 0.125 as 8 raised to minus 1. I can write 0.01 is equals to 10 raised to minus 2 beta. I can write capital A is equals to A raised to x beta. Are you with me beta? Can I write 1 is equals to 10 raised to 0 beta? Are you all comfortable? ठीक है बेटा, please go through first question and second question wherein we are converting exponential to logarithmic and vice versa beta. It's a very important in doing some complex calculations. So please note down this question number 1 and 2, pause the video, go through the definition, and then we can proceed with question number 3 and so on. ठीक है, चलो let us go ahead now. It's a very easy chapter, my child, so please pay attention. let us move to question number 3. Solve for x. Question number 3. Log of x to the base 10 is equals to -2. Therefore x क्या हो जाएगा बेटा? Converting log to exponential form 10 raised to -2. Therefore x क्या हो जाएगा बेटा? 1 upon 10 square. Therefore x का value will be 1 upon 100. Therefore x का value will be 1 upon 100. Are you okay बेटा with this? Question number 4 के सब parts are there. Find the logarithm of 100 to the base 10. ठीक है, तो let log of 100 to the base 10 be x. चलो, second, let log of 0.1 to the base 10 is equals to 0x. Let log of 0.001 to the base 10 is equals to x. We will find the value of log of 32 to the base 4 be x. Fifth one, log of 0.125 to the base 2 be x. ठीक है, चलो let us try to solve this 5 question first. Sixth one, log of 1/16 to the base 4 be x. Log of 27 to the base 9 be x. Log of 1/81 to the base 27 be x. ठीक है बेटा, चलो let us try to solve these questions. Converting log to exponential form, so can I write 100 is equals to 10 is to x. Therefore 10 is to 2 is equals to 10 is to x. क्या लिखेंगे बेटा? Equating power with the same base. Equating power with same base. हर एक में लिखना है. Therefore x is 2. Perfect. 0.1 is equals to 10 is to x. 0.1 is 1 upon 10, which is 10 raised to minus 1 is equals to 10 raised to x. Equating power in the same base. ठीक है बेटा, तो 32 is equals to 4 raised to x. 2 raised to 5 is equals to 2 raised to 2x. Equating power in the same base. The 5 is equals to 2x. X is equals to 5/2. Perfect बेटा. 0.125 is equals to 2 raised to x. 125 upon 1000 is equals to 2 raised to x. 1 upon 8 is equals to 2 raised to x. 1 upon 2 cube is equals to 2 raised to x. 2 raised to minus 3 is equals to 2 raised to x. Okay, equating power with the same base. Equating power with same base. Equating power with the same base. X equals to minus 3. Okay बेटा, 1/16 is equals to 4 raised to x. 1 upon 4 square is equals to 4 raised to x. 4 raised to minus 2 is equals to 4 raised to x. Equating power with the same base. Equating power with same base. x is minus 2. 27 is equals to 9 raised to x. 3 cube is equals to 3 raised to 2x. Equating power with the same base. Equating power with same base. Hope you are confident, beta. 1 by 81 is equals to 27 raised to x. Simple. ये एरो है बेटा. Perfect. Yeah? So 1 by 81 is 3 raised to 4. ठीक है बेटा. Please go through all 8 sums beta very well. Very important questions. 2 marks या 1 mark MCQ can be asked in exam. Please go through sums. Very easy, very interesting sums. Pause the video, go through all the sums very well beta. Please make sure you solve all the sums. Sure. Let us now go to the question number 5. Sure. Let us solve question number 5 beta. True or false. Very easy. Let us discuss true or false. Log of x to the base 10 is a. तो x क्या हो जाएगा बेटा 10 is to a. बराबर. It is not equal to therefore. Okay. Given क्या है बेटा 10 is to x is equal to a. Hence false statement. Second correct statement is this. आपको second क्या दिया बेटा x is to y z. Therefore log of z to the base x will be y. Log of z to the base x will be y. Given क्या है बेटा अपने को y is equal to log of x to the base z. False statement. This is my correct statement. This is my false statement. This is my correct statement. This is my false statement. Okay बेटा. Third, log of 8 to the base 2 is equal to 3. Therefore I can write 8 is 2 raised to 3. Yes, very much. And log of 2 to the base 8 is 1 by 3. Can I write 2 is equal to 8 raised to 1 by 3? Very much. So both the statements are equally correct. Both the statements are equally correct. So 2. Okay, beta? I just want you to understand the concept, so we did this. Let us focus on question number 6. Find x. First, log of x to the base 3 is 0. Second question, log of 2 to the base x is minus 1. Okay. Third question, log of 243 to the base 9 is x. Okay. Fourth question, log of x minus 7 to the base 5 is equal to 1. Okay. Fifth question. Log of 32 to the base 4 is equals to x minus 4. Okay. And last, log of 2x square minus 1 is equals to t. So let us solve these questions. Let us solve these questions together. First, can I write x is nothing but 3 raised to 0? Therefore, x is nothing but 1. Anything raised to 0 is 1. Can I write 2 is nothing but, tell me, x raised to minus 1 upon x, reciprocal. 243 is equals to 9 raised to x. 3 raised to 5 is equals to 3 raised to 2x. Equating power with the same base. Equating power with same base. Okay, therefore 5 is equals to 2x. X is equals to 2.5. Okay, done. X minus 7 is equals to 5 raised to 1. X minus 7 is equals to 5. X equals to 12. Okay. 32 is equals to 4 raised to x minus 4. 2 raised to 5 is equals to 2 raised to 2 x minus 4. Equating power with the same base. Equating power with same base. 5 is equals to 2 times x minus 4. 5 is equals to 2x minus 8. 13 is equals to 2x. X equals to 6.5. Please go through the sums. 2x square minus 1 is equals to 7 square. 2x square minus 1 is equals to 49. 2x square is equals to 50. X square is equals to 25. Therefore, x is equals to plus minus. Please go through the sums. Very important sums. Just go through fast. Guys, hope so you're comfortable. Please go to the sum. I am waiting for you. Pause the video and try to solve this sum on your own. Guys, pause the video and try to solve the sums on your own. Please. Chalo. Let us move ahead. Let us start. Question number 7. 1. Evaluate. We need to find the log of 0.01 to the base 10. Let us assume its value is x. Second, we have to find log of 1 divided by 8 to the base 2. Let us assume its value be x. Third, we have to find the value of log of we will find the log of 1 to the base 5. Let us assume to be x. Fourth one, We have to find the value of log of 125 to the base 5. Let us assume to be x. Fifth one, we have to find the value of log of 8 to the base 16. Let us assume to be x. And the last one, we have to find the value of log of 16 to the base 0.5. Let us assume to be x. ठीक है बेटा, चलो let us solve these questions. 0.01 is equals to बेटा बोलो, converting log to exponential form 10 raised to x. 1 upon 100 is equals to 10 raised to x. 10 raised to minus 2 is equals to, और एक स्टेप कर लेते हैं, 10 raised to 2 is equals to 10 raised to x. 10 raised to minus 2 is equals to 10 raised to x. Equating power with the same base. Equating power with same base. X equals to minus 2. 1 divided by 8 is equals to 2 raised to x beta. 1 upon 2 cube is equals to 2 raised to x. 2 raised to minus 3 is equals to 2 raised to x. Equating power with the same base. Equating power with same base. X equals to minus 3. 1 is equals to 5 raised to x. 1 is nothing but 5 raised to 0 is equal to 5 raised to x. Equating power with the same base. X is 0. 125 is equals to 5 raised to x. But also one more thing you have to remember, log of 1 to the any base, log of 1 to the any base will be always 0. Log of 1 to the any base will be 0 only. But then also we proved here 5 raised to 3 is equals to 5 raised to x. Equating power with the same base. Equating power with same base. So x is 3. ठीक है बेटा, 8 is equals to 16 raised to x. 2 cube is equals to 2 raised to 4x. Equating power with the same base. Equating power with same base. 3 is equals to 4x. X equals to 3 by 4. 16 is equal to 0.5 raised to x. 2 raised to 4 is equal to 0.5 को कैसे लिखूँ, 1 by 2 लिखूँ. So 2 raised to 4 is equal to 2 raised to minus x. Equating power with the same base. Equating power with same base. So 4 equals to minus x. X equals to minus 4. Okay बेटा, आराम से go through करो बेटा. Please go through all the sums अच्छे से. Please go through all the sums अच्छे से. Take a minute, आराम से try to solve on your own. It's a pretty simple sums बेटा. हाँ अच्छे से करो. चलो, let us continue. चलो, let's get started. Question number 8. So log of m to the base a is n. We have to express a raised to n minus 1 in terms of m. ठीक है बेटा? So now let's start. बेटा आपको log of m to the base a n दिया है, तो m क्या होगा बेटा बोलो? m क्या होगा बेटा बोलो? a raised to n. Okay, are you with me? ठीक है. Therefore अभी we need to find the value of a raised to n minus 1. Can I say a raised to n minus 1 as a raised to n dot a raised to minus 1? That is a raised to n upon a raised to 1. But what is value of a raised to n? M. So answer is m upon a. So answer is m upon a. So answer is m upon a. Are you with me, beta? Question 9. Log of x to the base 2 is equals to m, and log of y to the base 5 equals to n. तो x क्या होगा 2 raised to n, y क्या होगा 5 raised to n. ठीक है बेटा? First we have to express 2 raised to m minus 3. Can I write 2 raised to m minus 3 as 2 raised to m minus a is divide 2 raised to 3. 2 raised to m is x upon 8. Similarly, 5 raised to 3n plus 2. Can I write it as 5 raised to 3n into 5 raised to 2? 5 raised to n cube into 25. What is 5 raised to n beta y? You get answer as 25 y cube. You get answer as 25 y cube. Perfect बेटा. आराम से go through करो बेटा दोनों सम. We have expressed 2 raised to m minus 3 as x by 8 and 5 raised to 3n plus 2 as 25 by cube. Log of x to the base 2 is a. Log of y to the base a, base 3 is a. ठीक है? From here I can conclude x is 2 raised to a and y is 3 raised to a. Perfect. Therefore 72 raised to a. बेटा 72 के प्राइम फैक्टर्स क्या हो गए बेटा? चलो 72 के प्राइम फैक्टर्स क्या हो गए? 2 cube into 3 square raised to a. 2 raised to 3a into 3 raised to 2a. So 2 raised to a power में 3 into 3 raised to a power में 2. What is 2 raised to a? X cube y square. So answer is x cube into y square. X cube into y square. Are you with me बेटा? 72 को देखो मैंने प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन में लिखा. So 2 cube and 3 square raised to a. So 2 raised to 3a, 3 raised to 2a, 2 raised to 3a, 3 raised to 2a. So 2 raised to 3a को कैसे लिखा? 2 raised to a 3 and 3 raised to 2a को कैसे लिखा? 3 raised to a 2. ठीक है? So that makes x cube y square. That makes x cube y square. Very nice. ठीक है बेटा? चलो, let us start with the next part. Please pause the video and go through this sum 8, 9, 10. Very interesting sum. New concept based sums. बेटा जब भी माइनस होता है तो डिवीजन, प्लस होता है तो मल्टीप्लिकेशन. भूलना मत. जब भी माइनस हुआ तो डिवीजन. बराबर बेटा? Indices है. Indices. Let me write out the indices rule. A raised to m into n is a raised to mn. फिर a raised to m minus n is equals to a raised to m divided by a raised to n. A raised to m plus n is equals to a raised to m into a raised to n. ठीक है? These are the major indices rule which we use. Perfect बेटा? भूलना मत. It will help you a lot. Now please pause the video and go through all the sums one more time. Before we begin next sum, I want to teach you one two properties या laws of logarithms which will be very beneficial to us in the second exercise 8b. So let me teach you certain properties of logarithm and then we can proceed. Three main laws of logarithms are listen carefully. Laws of logarithms. To proceed with the next sum, we need this laws to be understand. ठीक है? So पहले देखो log of m into n रहा मतलब एक ब्लॉक के अंदर दो तीन टर्म मल्टीप्लाई हो रहे हैं. I can write it down as log of m plus log of n या वाइस वर्सा. log of m plus log of n रहा तो log लिखो, जहां प्लस वहां मल्टीप्लिकेशन में कन्वर्ट कर दो. Similarly log of m divided by n is equals to log of m minus log of n. ठीक है. And the third major rule is log of a raised to m रहा तो m को आप नीचे लिख सकते हो, so it becomes m log a. But when I don't write base, it is understood the default base या common base is 10. ठीक है. When I don't write anything, so default base is 10. मैं लिखूं या ना लिखूं, my answer doesn't changes. Default base is 10. Default base is 10. भूलना मत. क्या मैं बोला बेटा? If I don't write base, it is understood my default base is 10. My default base is 10. ठीक है बेटा? Please don't forget. ये लॉ याद रखो. It will help us in solving question number 10 and question number 11 and question number 12. चलो. Question number 11. Log of x minus 1 plus log of x plus 1 is equals to log of 1 to the base 2. Log of a plus log of b, log of a into b. बेटा log of 1 to any base is always 0. बेटा मैंने आपको क्या बोला था? डिफॉल्ट बेस क्या होता है? 10 होता है. So log of x square minus 1 is equals to 0. Therefore converting log to exponential form, 10 is to 0. X square minus 1 is equals to 1. X square is equals to 2. X equals to plus minus 2. But now please understand, very important thing I am going to say. Everyone please pay attention. Log of negative number does not exist. Since log of logarithm is possible only for positive real number. Logarithm is possible only for positive real number. Therefore x has to be only root 2 beta. Log is possible only for positive value. Please understand, don't forget beta. Log is possible only for positive values. Log is possible only for positive values. Log is possible only for positive values. Please don't forget. ठीक है बेटा? So, see, whenever you get confused when to take plus minus or when not to take plus minus, simple है. X का value इधर root 2 डालो बेटा. Okay? अब बेटा log x का value root 2 डालो बेटा. हाँ, whenever you get positive value, it's valid. ठीक है बेटा? चलो. Please go through this sum. We'll move to 12th sum. बेटा ये सिंपल है. अगर मैं माइनस रूट 2 डालता हूँ, सो माइनस रूट 2 माइनस 1 इज विल बी नेगेटिव ओनली, हेंस इट्स नॉट वैलिड. ठीक है? दैट्स व्हाई वी से log इज पॉसिबल ओनली फॉर पॉजिटिव रियल नंबर एंड इन दिस केस आई एम टेकिंग रूट 2. जब भी कंफ्यूजन हो, जब भी कंफ्यूजन हो, शुड आई टेक प्लस माइनस या ओनली प्लस, ठीक है। सो नेगेटिव वैल्यू इसमें डालो क्वेश्चन में। इफ यू गेट log of positive number, well and good. If you don't get, then obviously it's wrong. If I substitute minus root 2, so minus root 2 minus 1 has to be negative. So log of negative number does not exist. Hence, we'll go with x equals to root 2. And the last sum of this exercise, question number 12. Log of x square minus 21 is equals to 2. Default base is 10. Therefore we can write x square minus 21 is equals to 10 raised to 2. क्या याद रखोगे बेटा, डिफॉल्ट बेस क्या होता है, कुछ भी नहीं मेंशन किया तो 10 होता है। सो x square is equals to 121, 21 plus 100, x square is equals to 121, so x is plus minus 11. Okay, now just see, अगर minus 11 सब्स्टिट्यूट करता हूँ, does my answer changes? No, minus 11 square is plus 121. Hence here we go with x equals to plus minus 11. So मैंने आपको क्या सिखाया, whenever you get confused to take plus or not to take, or to take the negative number or not to take negative number, simple है, जो भी क्वेश्चन दिया उसमें सब्स्टिट्यूट करो, if log doesn't turn out to be negative value, then you can go ahead. But जैसे in this case, if I substitute minus root 2, it becomes negative, so not possible. इधर minus 11 डालता हूँ, it still become positive, hence you should continue. ठीक है बेटा, are you all okay with this बेटा? Are you all okay with this? Please go ahead. Question number 11 and question number 12, very 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 important. In the next session, I am going to discuss properties in detail, and we are going to solve exercise 8b. Okay? So please go through this video to understand exercise 8a of concise. Okay, 8a exercise from concise beta, logarithm chapters. Very easy chapter, very interesting. In this particular section, we just try to focus more on converting exponential logarithmic form and then obviously solving based on it. Hope so you understood this session. Thank you so much for listening us out. Have a great day.